out here in Kamloops. Oh, we are actually out here in Kamloops, which is interesting because it feels like more like a desert. Like the ground is so dry.
It is beautiful! Such a nice day out here at Battle Bluff, and here's Kamloops Lake.
I was thinking I could bring a Sprite, yeah, and mix it with that vodka. I ain't gotta call ya, I'ma pull up on ya. Wake up every morning and I'm feeling like I saw ya. Go to sleep at night like, baby, let me put it on ya. And I ain't gotta lie, I'm ready to get to you. I'm ready to get to you.
We are on the top here on Battle Bluff. We made it such a nice view here. Just got my drone out and flew a little bit. That footage looks amazing.
Could get you back up, baby, cause I need it again.
Now we're gonna head back to the trail and meet the others.
That lingerie on the white rug, yeah.
So we made it back to the car. It was a beautiful hike. What was it called again? The hike?
Battle Bluff.
Battle Bluff. Battle Bluff was very nice, 2-hour hike. And now we gotta get some refreshments.
Now we ain't even done yet. I'm ready to get to you. Yeah. I'm ready to get to you.
Just hanging out here after the hike with the cold Pilsner. But look at this view here, it's amazing. Let's fire up the barbecue.
Let's go, Duncan.
Do you think that I could get you back up, baby, cause I need it again.
Happy graduation.
Manual focus.
Congratulations, class of 2018.
Yeah, Tessa, you too though, and Marcus.